My name is Cassondra Kaeding. I'm a celebrity colorist based in Los Angeles. So after being at the salon all week, the last thing I want to do is perform a long service on myself. So I skip right to a gloss. And before the gloss, I make sure that we use the professional K18 mist and then follow up with the K18 repair mask. It's really important to make sure you take care of your hair. You don't realize that all the stuff in the environment, the chemicals in the water, especially heat from the sun, all of these things take a toll on your hair. My K18 routine starts with the detox shampoo. I love it because it helps get rid of all those heavy metals and all the gook from the environment. And then follow up with the K18 repair mask, which I absolutely love because I personally don't use a conditioner. So it gives it a really soft, silky feeling. And lastly, the repair oil. I absolutely love it because it helps with flyaways and it makes my hair look silky, soft, and shiny. Since using K18, I feel a really big difference with my hair. Years ago, I had many chemical services done, which destroyed my hair and changed my texture. So when I started using K18, I saw a very big difference. It feels soft, it looks shiny, and I feel like my hair is strong again. Now I actually don't even think twice about heat styling my hair and maybe getting a few highlights. I definitely love it because I know that I have a strong product that's gonna help keep my hair healthy.